I love a Reaver, fam. They always flip at something. They're always flipping at something. That bus shouldn't be making that noise, but it is because it's a Reaver, innit? It is because it's a Reaver. Come on, man. That's why I'll always continue to love this company. I'll always continue to love this company because of the slip-ups they do. They're the actual company that's not boring. They're not boring at all, bro. They've always got something up. Like, oh man, each and every one of their bosses has their own character. You get me? That's why I love a Reaver. Because they're always up to something, man. Oh shit, where's this store? Oh, it's still down there. But yeah, I always love a Reaver. I always continue. Yo, bro, don't give up on yourself, yeah? Stay strong. I feel for the homeless, you know, because sometimes it's not even their fault they're homeless, because they don't even have that motivation to get their arse up and keep going, because no one's there to like support them. That's why I feel for the homeless. Like, okay, you can say the homeless people can be lazy sometimes, but sometimes you can't blame them in it, because is there really anyone that's gonna like push you? Like, if you're homeless, you don't have anyone to talk to. Like, you're just out here on the street by yourself. No one cares about you. No one gives a shit about you, bro. You'll get people like I've heard like homeless people. They told me that. I've had homeless people tell me, yeah, that they've had people piss on them. They've had people piss on them. It's fucking disgusting, man. It's fucking disgusting. It's not even their fault sometimes, man, because you don't have any support. You're just out here. You have no money. You don't know where to go, bro. And I respect homeless people that always keep a smile on their face. They always manage to keep a smile on their face. I respect them homeless people, because you can feel lost in that situation. You can feel lost in that position. Like, you have no money, you have no home. Like, you can actually feel lost. It's actually easy to feel suicidal when you get to that position. It's very easy to get suicidal when you're in that position and you're homeless and you've got nowhere to go. Do you get me? So, yeah, man. You can't always blame these homeless people, man, because it's tough out here, man.